I'm not the kind of girl who should be really punching in on a wide veil occasion, but you are not the kind of boy who should be marrying the wrong girl. I sneak in and see your friends. And there's not a little family all dressed in pastel, and she is yelling at a brass man somewhere back inside a room wearing a gown like a pastry. Daisy, surely not what you thought I would be, but I lose myself in a daydream. Where I stand and say, don't say yes, run away now. I'll meet you when you're out of the church at the back door. Don't wait or say a single vowel. You need to hear me now, and it says, speak now.